Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for data science. Begin by mastering Python's core syntax, including variables, data types, and basic operations. Focus on understanding lists, dictionaries, and tuples, which are crucial for data handling. Practice writing simple functions and control flow statements like if else and for loops. Setting up your environment with an IDE like VS Code and installing Python is your first practical step. Next, delve into object-oriented programming, grasping classes and objects to write more organized code. Practice handling common errors using try-except blocks to make your scripts robust. Familiarize yourself with reading and writing data from various file formats, such as CSV and JSON files. These skills are foundational for working with real-world datasets in data science projects. Now, focus on the powerful libraries. NumPy is essential for numerical computations, especially with arrays. Pandas data frames will become your best friend for data manipulation and analysis, allowing you to clean and transform datasets efficiently. Finally, learn to create compelling visualizations with Matplotlib and Seaborn to communicate your findings effectively. These tools are indispensable for any data scientist. To solidify your learning, actively work on projects using real datasets from platforms like Kaggle. Start with smaller projects and gradually tackle more complex challenges to build a strong portfolio. This practical experience is invaluable for demonstrating your skills to potential employers. Remember, consistent practice is key to becoming proficient. Also, check the description for a link to grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.